right, RestoMods, we got another awesome feature for you. This time we talked to Valerie about her 1968 Mustang Fastback. You may recognize Valerie from a video we posted a couple weeks ago of her ripping through the gears in her 68 Mustang. We got a chance to talk to her at Quarantine Cruise number 7. Check it out. What's up, RestoMods Nation? I'm here with Valerie. We're standing in front of her 1968 Mustang. Let's walk around. Tell me a little bit about this thing. What's under the hood?
A 347 stroker.
347 stroker. How long have you had this car?
I've had it for like 3 years, but
Okay.
I just started driving it like 2 years ago.
Are you doing some of the work on this thing?
My husband did it.
Awesome.
Yep.
Very cool.
It was a birthday present.
Really?
Yep.
3 years you've had the thing and it just got on the road this
Yep.
year? That's an incredible birthday present. What is your favorite part about this car?
I just love to drive fast.
Just driving fast in
Just
general?
driving fast.
Getting in
With
the
my
car,
friends, getting
hauling
in the
ass.
car. Yeah.
Cool. What got you into cars? How did you start being into muscle cars in general?
With cars, my dad used to take me to car shows all the time when I was
Okay.
younger, and then my husband is just like obsessed with
All right.
them. So he started buying and selling cars.
Okay.
So
Is this the only one in the family right now?
Oh no, we have a 37 Packard, we have a 67 Fairlane.
Okay.
We've had all kinds. I mean, he's had probably 20 cars,
Very
30
cool.
cars, yeah.
And this one's your baby though?
This is my baby.
Okay. We've got some customizations in here. You said upgraded engine. What's on the agenda for this thing?
Nothing.
Nothing. She's ready to rock. You
I
just
love it.
drive the hell out of it
It's
now?
perfect. All I need is cup holders.
Okay, all right, very nice. Well, I love the look of the car. We posted your video maybe a week ago, and it blew up our entire Instagram page and our Facebook page.
Let's get in and put the
There we go,
seatbelt
take a
on.
look inside.
Let's do this. I do wear a seatbelt. It's a lap belt.
Seatbelts, everybody's
I
worried
do
about
have
the
seat- I
seatbelts,
know,
there we go.
Yeah, they're crazy. But I do have a seatbelt.
Very cool. I love this car, and thank you so much for talking with us here today. RestoMods, follow Valerie and her 68 Mustang at @getinthecar_. At @getinthecar_. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Guys, hope you loved that walk around of Valerie's incredible 1968 Mustang. Make sure you give her a follow at @getinthecar_. If you are a Mustang person, let us know in the comments below. What's your favorite year? What's your favorite style? And what's your favorite part of Valerie's Mustang? If you're ready to get yourself into a classic that might not be a Mustang, maybe it is, maybe it's not, head on over to RestoMods.com, get your entries into our active sweepstakes to win a dream car or $50,000 in cash. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let us know what we're doing good. If you have negative comments, keep them to yourself. We don't want to hear them, but thank you guys. We got more features coming for you soon. Check them out.